How many people will have heard the rumor after 1 month? Given that initial 5 people know about it, and the rumor spreads to 8 new people per day. Use differential equations to solve this problem. To solve this problem using differential equations, we need to model the spread of the rumor over time. Let's denote the number of people who have heard the rumor at time t as pt, given. Initially, 5 people know about the rumor, so p0 equals 5. The rumor spreads to 8 new people per day, so the rate of change of pt is dp dt equals 8. We can set up the differential equation as follows. dp dt equals 8. To find pt, we integrate both sides with respect to t. Where c is the constant of integration. We use the initial condition p0 equals 5 to find c. p0 equals 8 times 0 plus c equals 5. Then c equals 5. Thus, the solution to the differential equation is pt equals 8t plus 5. To find the number of people who have heard the rumor after 1 month, 30 days, we substitute t equals 30 into the equation. P30 equals 8 times 30 plus 5. P30 equals 240 plus 5. P30 equals 245. Therefore, after 1 month, 245 people will have heard the rumor.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.